Let's get Leak 797 or pass from source to targets. For this question, it gives us a two-dimensional array called graph. And this graph, it is directly acyclic graph. It let us to find all the possible paths from node 0 to node n minus 1. So we know we can use depth first search for this kind of question, and we are going to have a list of integer as a result. And we are going to also have a path here. Path with a new array list. And at the beginning, we have the path to be 0 at the index 0 to it. What we need is the DFS, where away from index 0. And we have path, and we have result, return result. For graph, normally we always using something like a weighted Boolean array, but this question it is a GAG graph. That is for every node, you cannot weight it multiple times because there's no cycle in it. So even we don't need to have any weighted Boolean array. So just write a private void EFS. Well, we have an index, and we have a list, integer, and path, and also list, integer, result. We'll say if index equals graph dot length minus 1, right? Have result at new array list as then return back for each next graph index. We'll have path add next path remove as the size minus 1. And we'll have a DFS graph next path result. And doing like this way, the time complexity will depend on how many edges for the graph. For example, here, for 0, it can have 2 possibilities. So it will 0 to 1, 0 to 2. And then every so those kind of time complexity will be the total age, right? So it will be a bit complicated.